Everybody, what's going on? It's ASHS. It's been a while since I've done a video. I have been extremely busy and I am so sorry, y'all. But let's quickly go over two of the trade ideas that played out really well. So the first one is Tesla. And as you can see that I'm on the 1 hour and we had a 1 hour trend line that was beautiful. We did get a break and retest of the trend line. And you can see where price came back up today after towards the end of the day and retested this area. But prior to this movement here, we had a retest here right before close. So I was very confident that we were going to get a push down. And if you go on the 5-minute, you can see where I had given call levels above 204.52, put levels above 203.61. We had a nice big gap up. And of course, as always, most of us do expect a gap fill. However, we had a little bit more bearish momentum. Now, this was expected due to the price action that I showed you on the 1 hour time frame. Now, price was moving sideways here, which was giving us nice rejection. Price action was letting us know this was about to go down. So after the 950 candle close, we were definitely going to get in. We were underneath the VWAP, underneath our level. We also broke and retest that 1 hour trend line, and we were able to take this trade. Did give a compounding opportunity right here around 10:30 to get in and take it down to market structure. This trade cost $474. It gave a profit of $483, giving us a 101% contract. The next trade I want to go over is one of my faves, which is Netflix. I've been eyeing Netflix all week. If you follow my Twitter, I did talk about how I was watching this and there was a head and shoulder. So I saw that we had the neckline here. We retested the neckline area and we were heading down. Like, it was pretty obvious. Now, we had the opportunity to get in overnight and hold the trade. However, if you did not take advantage of that, totally okay. We did actually end up filling the gap. However, we broke and retested under that gap, which was really nice, and stayed under the VWAP. So if you missed this momentum, it was no biggie. You just had to be patient, wait about 15 minutes, and we got the confirmation around 9:50 with this beautiful rejection here in this doji candle. Got in at 9:55. Head and shoulder completion was here at 319.50. So I saw the momentum was still very strong. However, that was my goal. Now, it did go down to a 1 hour level, which was really, really nice. And it was perfect rejection here. This trade right here cost $442 and gave a profit of $586 with a 132% return. So again, two beautiful trades, very easy setup. Break and retest here on this one. And then with Tesla, same thing. You can see we had rejection to that previous structure and it stayed underneath our VWAP and our put level. So this was a matter of understanding the difference between your higher time frame, well, the correlation, I should say, between your higher time frame and your lower time frame, and just really paying attention to price action and being patient and waiting for those confirmations. So I hope this video helps and you guys have an awesome day.